Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. So today I'll be talking about how to block a user on TikTok. So if you are thinking of blocking someone on TikTok, then this video is for you. So first of all, open your TikTok, and the person that you want to block, you just have to tap on their profile. So you tap on their profile, you visit their profile. So with this, you realize on the top corner there is a share button. The share button. You tap on the share button. The share button on the top corner. You tap on the share button. Yeah, and you realize in here at the bottom you can scroll. You just have to scroll to the left. Scroll to the left and you realize there's an option there, block. Block. So you just have to tap on the block. Yes, and you just have to confirm it. So in here, tap on the block again, and that's it. So the user can't see your videos or your posts or anything. And if you want to unblock the person, you just have to tap on the unblock, visit the same person's profile and tap on the unblock, and that's it. So it is the best way to and the easiest way to block a user on TikTok. Okay, so if you love this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and see you on the other side.